When I come to the RAs, I can't help but think about all of the teachers who inspired me along the way. As I stand before you, I'm not just the state controller. I am a proud product of New York State's public school system. And that enabled me to be the first in my family to attend college. And you know what? I try to never forget that it all started in Mrs. Kornbluth's kindergarten class at Meadow Drive Elementary School on Long Island. As NYSUT members, you are on the front lines in fighting to preserve our investment in public education. Just look at what you've accomplished in our state in recent times. Record increases in school aid, including fully funding foundation aid, negotiating that cell phone ban in our schools, reduced class size in New York City. I know the 2025 state budget is not finalized yet. They're getting there, but I believe we'll see continued progress thanks to your advocacy. If we want to successfully meet the post-COVID challenges of learning loss and teacher shortage, we must do more to support professional development. We should demand the same accountability from charter schools as we do from every other school receiving taxpayer dollars. I just want you to know that I'm not going to let anyone use our pension funds as a political football. We're going to look out for the best interests of the members of the system. And as long as I'm state controller, if anyone attempts to compromise your defined benefit pensions or your retirement security in any way, my response will be, as it has always been, not on my watch. That's not going to happen. Now, the strength of NYSUT protects your dignity throughout your professional careers, and you deserve that dignity in your retirement years as well. Your movement is strong. It's strong right in this room and beyond. This is why NYSUT fights, and what NYSUT fights for each and every day. For up-to-date, well-equipped, safe schools and classrooms, for empowered educators, for an affordable, accessible, fully funded SUNY and CUNY, for every NYSUT member to be respected and protected on the job and in retirement. So my NYSUT friends, I have a simple question for you. Are you united and are you ready for that fight? I think you are more than ready for that fight, and I will always be proud to stand with you. Enjoy the rest of your deliberations at your RA, and it is always great to be with you.